What is crime displacement within rational choice theory? Imagine trying to stop a flood by plugging one hole, only to see the water find another way out. That's similar to what happens in crime prevention when offenders shift their activities. Crime displacement is when efforts to reduce crime in one area or type cause offenders to move their crimes elsewhere. Within rational choice theory, this makes perfect sense because offenders are seen as decision makers. They weigh the risks and rewards before acting. When law enforcement makes it harder or riskier to commit a crime in one place, offenders look for easier options. They might choose a different location, a different time, or even a new type of crime altogether. Think of it like a game of chess. If you block one move, your opponent might switch to another. Offenders do the same. They consider factors like how easy it is to find a target, whether there are guards or cameras, and how much effort is involved. If these factors change because of police patrols or security measures, they adapt their plans. Crime displacement can take many forms. Spatial displacement is moving to a new location. Temporal displacement is changing the time they commit the crime, maybe from night to day. Target displacement involves choosing different victims or objects. Tactical displacement means changing methods, like switching from breaking in to pickpocketing. Crime type displacement is when offenders switch from one crime to another, like from vandalism to shoplifting. This concept is important because it shows that crime prevention isn't always about stopping crime completely. Instead, it's about understanding how offenders think and act. If you only focus on one area or one type of crime, offenders might just shift their activities elsewhere. That's why effective crime prevention looks at the bigger picture. It involves designing strategies that make all potential targets less attractive or accessible. For example, adding more street lighting and security cameras can discourage offenders from targeting a neighborhood. Community policing can also change how offenders perceive risks across wider areas. Monitoring crime patterns after prevention efforts is key. If displacement happens, authorities can adjust their strategies quickly. The goal isn't just to push crime somewhere else but to reduce overall opportunities for offenders. So, in simple terms, crime displacement is offenders' smart way of adapting to new obstacles. They shift their behavior based on perceived risks and rewards, which makes understanding their decision-making essential for effective crime control. This approach helps law enforcement and communities stay one step ahead, making neighborhoods safer overall.